Another key aspect to be considered in simulation is the need for high availability of computing resources to reduce the design cycle time. Nowadays, engineers feel even more pressure to produce better design faster. Our state-of-the-art HPC job shadowing technology enables them to maximize the use of IT resources by distributing computational workloads across HPC and cloud environments. Danilo, how does Mod-Frontier distributed execution technology make it possible to streamline the run of very complex simulation processes?
You know that in many optimization studies, heavy simulations are involved. Solvers that require a lot of computational resources to produce the results. To get good results from optimization, you need to perform many simulations. And performing many simulations means to possibly spread the calculations of each design, the evaluation of each design on different machines in such a way, maximizing the hardware resources and parallelizing the calculation. Mod-Frontier supports, by scripting nodes, the most common and most popular queuing systems that you can code in our scripting nodes in such a way that Mod-Frontier will be able to start the calculations on HPC clusters or also on the grid. The grid is a way of distributing the calculation on a local network of machines. So at the end, Mod-Frontier is very effective also in allowing our users to get the results in less time.
Given the web nature of an enterprise platform like Volta, the efficient management of simulation requests created by users is crucial. Marco, how does Volta distribute the computational workload across different machines, and which are the benefits from an end-user perspective?
Yeah, for Volta, it doesn't matter if you have available a laptop, a workstation, an HPC, or even a cloud. What it is important is that the IT department sets up these computing machines and make them available to Volta. And then Volta will understand and will know what are the available machines and will distribute the simulation workloads across them. And then there is a difference, a separation between the IT departments and the users. The IT is only in charge of setting up the machines, configuring the correct software and setting up the licenses. The end user instead has only to select the proper queue and then submit the job. So in the end, Volta will be able to understand which are the available computing machines, and then it will send the simulation jobs to the available machines with the correct software installed and with the correct computing power.
Also, many companies are investing into private cloud infrastructures or using public cloud systems to centralize the management of their application and reduce cost and simulation lead time. Marco, I heard that you added a new cloud deployment option for Volta. How can this be beneficial for IT administrators seeking to manage many concurrent users and geographically distributed installations?
Well, Volta Cloud Deployment option is one of the most significant changes of the recent years. We introduced this new architecture in order to stay on the edge of technology, also on what the users do not see, so on the back end. And this cloud installation option adds to the standalone one, in a sense that will still support the standalone architecture, which is monolithic, which has very good performances for limited number of users, but also uses less resources. We added also the Volta Cloud installation option, which instead guarantees best performances for lots of users and also guarantees the scalability, so the elasticity. The application goes up or down depending on the load, and then also guarantees fault tolerance in the sense that since it is microservices based, if one microservice dies, then another one is fired up. And then we want to stay agnostic because we want our customers to be free to choose whatever kind of platform they want and they like. And so this is why we base the architecture on Kubernetes. And this is compliant with the Google Cloud, with Amazon AWS, and with also Microsoft Azure, or even with private clouds like OpenShift.